5 Simple Ways to Save Money. Stick to a weekly or monthly budget. Set a budget based on your net income and then track your finances that work for you. Creating a budget can help you feel more in control of your finances and let you save money for your goals. Choose something to save for. Start by thinking of what you might want to save for. It can be anything from a car to a holiday. Set a time frame and spend accordingly. Cut excess spending. Make alternative choices such as going out for a dinner or cook at home your own favorite and desired foods at no cost. Simple alternatives can make a huge difference when it comes to savings. Decide on your priorities. Prioritizing goals can be a starting point to start saving. Make sure to also focus on your long-term goals such as retirement. Watch your savings grow. Checking your progress every month can inspire you to save more money and hit your goals faster. Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.